Now, the most popular calibers among handgun shooters are things like 9mm Parabellum, 45 ACP, 357 Magnum, etc. But let me tell you something. Even though I have never had to use any of my guns in anger, I'm not a particularly good shot, and I haven't even put more than 100 rounds through any of my handguns in the last 10 years. I know for a fact that under stress, at the moment of crisis, I will rise to the occasion and I'll be able to hit bullseyes. I just know it. And so for that reason, I bought a mighty 380 ACP pocket pistol for the first time. I know, just because it's me, that during the zombie apocalypse, this will be all that I need. It's going to be nothing but headshots. All right. And this came from the famous and renowned Royal Tiger Imports. It did take 4 weeks to get here from the time I ordered it. Okay. Just till the time it showed up at my door just today. Here's the unboxing. Okay. Unlike with the other guns, with the long rifles, I'm not getting like a big, huge, comically oversized box. Nicely wrapped up there. Yeah. What we have here is, okay, yeah. That's just great. That's an Italian Beretta M1934 with a new barrel. So it is CNR. If you get one of the older, if you get a gun with one of the original barrels, it's not CNR. Let's see, so we got some number written on the side. Looks like this was made in 1966. I mean, it feels solid. It's like a, yeah, got a little more heft to it than you'd expect. Let's see. I'm going to cock it first. See, I'm using my bad hand. Hold on here. You have to cock it and then the safety. Activate. I don't know. I have to study the manual of arms for it. Okay. Mag release on the bottom. Yeah, it pops out just fine. Yeah, it's pretty well oiled. Actually kind of over oiled. I don't really see any defects in it or anything, not even any major scratches. I guess the finish is a little bit worn on the top, but just really not much. Yeah, I think I got this for, I can't remember exactly, like $350. They were doing a deal where you get free shipping. I'll have to go look it up. But, okay, plastic grips. Yeah, there's the import mark at the bottom there. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, it feels good in my hand. With the little thumb hook that comes with a magazine. I think this would just fit my hand perfectly. Yeah. Hold on a second. Let me try to cock it here. Yeah, it cocks just fine. Oh. Yeah, not bad at all. Not bad at all.